we're always looking to, enhance our e-commerce strategy, like look for different ways to reach our customers and try to have this separate sales channel, have an app on people's phones, be able to communicate directly with them. So we thought it was a perfect time to do right before Black Friday to give them early access to our sales and drops, and it gives them an incentive to get the app and also, rewards them with early access and, exclusive sales and all of that. With Tapcart, it directly syncs with your Shopify. The template system is so simple. You're just drag and dropping banners and it's very easy. You can get it set up like before Black Friday right now if you want. Honestly, we got our app set up in like a few days and we were up and running. Black Friday is the busiest time of year. Everybody's shopping. You're missing out on the whole wave of people interested in buying in November and December. So you're missing out on the opportunity to bring people in and join the sales channel if you're going to give them the incentive, early access to Black Friday sales. Or I would definitely say it's a need to have, especially for, brands in our space, but for any e-com store, I would definitely recommend it. We were able to get that first like wave of subscribers and downloads that we probably wouldn't have had just randomly launching it at another point in the year. Our user base has been significantly growing over the last year and a half that we've had it. That itself is a sign that people are, enjoying staying on the app and shopping through the app still. Treating our core customers with exclusive deals and drops that we utilize all the time. So that was our main reason. It's just giving an additional method to, work with our core customers and our customers that shop with us all the time, giving them the best experience possible.